Hey guys, Brian and Aaron here from Five2Go, coming to you from the car.
From the car.
From the car. So we have looked high and low for better options when it comes to glasses, bowls, plates, cups,
that stack.
cooking stuff like that.
That
That work well in an RV.
Yeah.
That store well. That aren't breakable because
Right.
stuff, bounces going down the road. Our friends Ben and Charity from Grateful Glamper have done quite a few episodes where they've gone to like IKEA and Dollar Store and stuff like that for storage and kitchen stuff. But we think we might have found the perfect option.
We have not been
Maybe.
inside.
We
so
have
we
not been
don't
inside.
know.
We
We're
just
going
pulled
to take
up.
you with us.
We just pulled up. We just parked. We're going to take you inside. This is a kitchen supply store. Like
More
a
importantly,
restaurant
this is
supply
a
store.
restaurant equipment store.
Yeah.
Is what it says on the sign.
All right, so but this one specifically, this is LeBron,
Yep.
Lebron,
In
and
Kissimmee.
we're in Kissimmee, Florida. So we're gonna head on in here and see what they have. We are primarily looking for cups,
Bowls.
plates and bowls. We're looking for like
Daily use stuff.
that sort of stuff. But I might be suckered into some replacement cooking implements, but we'll see. So let's go.
Cheaper than Amazon. These are 16 ounce. These are.
All right, this is
love
appropriately
that.
sized.
That's so bad.
I
Wow.
love that. You make big salad with that.
That's, yeah, we might need that for the caravan. We got a lot of people to feed. All
Throw all the spaghetti and sauce in there.
right, what'd you find?
So I found like the cups you have
Oh,
at the at all the restaurants, and these
Yeah.
are a good size. These are 16 ounce.
that's exactly what I was looking for.
Yeah, and they're cheaper than they were on Amazon.
Nice.
So I'm gonna hold on to these.
Okay, well, they have blue.
They have different
and clear.
sizes. So these are like 32 ounces,
Oh, those are huge.
and then these are
24, 20, 16.
these are the 12.
They even have
12 are a little small.
Yeah,
So what do you have, 16?
I have 16, and they feel really good, and they're blue, so they go with my theme.
Yeah. Oh, we had these growing up.
Oh yeah, you remember you telling me about
Steak
these?
plates, and it had the wood, yeah. I guess they're fajita plates. But my dad would grill steak and put that either in the oven or on the grill to heat up. And then put the steak on that to serve it.
Don't do that, buddy.
The wood protects the table, but the metal keeps the steak hot. What's that? Tortilla? Or
No, tacos.
taco rack?
And then you get some meat
Cast iron?
from the dog.
That's a really good price. $12.99. I mean, it's not lodge, so I don't know what the quality is. It's a good price for cast iron, though. Rice
Oh,
cooker.
that's what I need, a butter roller.
They make, Blackstone has a butter roller.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Steak weight? Is that like a
You
shake
can
weight?
make like empanadas with this.
Is that like a shake weight?
No. They have a little like empanada maker.
Uh-huh.
And this.
I could see little containers like this being useful.
For what?
Well, that's for sugar packets, but you could definitely use it to hold other small things in a big open pantry.
Okay.
So all of this stuff that we walked by before, it's all melamine, and
Doesn't work in the microwave.
it's not going to break, and they stack really well, but you can't use them in the microwave. So,
Yep.
oh, do they have the magnetic? Yeah, so these are popular with RVers as well. These magnetic knife and tool racks. They have a bunch of different lengths. So, and also a really good price. It's $9 for that one. Man.
They put it over there.
All colors, shapes, and sizes.
Oh, and cutlery. More huge bowls. These ones are clear plastic.
If you are a weekender and just want to take a little bit of salt, pepper,
Yeah.
little tiny ones.
Yep.
Just gotta scoop it up. Gotta scoop it up. Put on
You gotta scoop it up?
This is where you buy these if you
Little
want
syrup
your
dispenser?
syrup dispenser. I've never seen one in the store.
Nice. Yeah, this is definitely tongs galore.
Yeah.
Look at these prices, man.
Great.
$3. Getting into grill territory here. Here we go. Nice big long handle turner. Nice. Nutcrackers, strainers. Oh, huge cutting boards.
That's what I said.
Wow.
So if you're looking for one to like be your cover for your sink,
Yeah. You
there's
might be
a
able
lot
to
of big sizes
get one here
here.
and then cut it down to
Yep.
size. More. So there's a bunch of ramekins. Ramekins are nice. We like having these. We have a couple. Ours are glass though.
We do have glass
I
ones.
like this.
Paper towel holders.
Is it?
Oh no, maybe it's not.
It's like a condiment basket.
It is. It's a
That
condiment
you would have
caddy.
Caddy, yeah, in the middle of the table.
Yep. But you know what? This could work too, because you can put.
If you eat outside a lot.
Yeah, you just
Yeah.
put your stuff on here to take out to the table.
All right, so for all you people that want bathtubs in your RVs,
There you go. Put a small child in
how
there.
big is that thing? 140 quarts.
140 quarts.
140 quarts.
Oh, Ben found a real big one too.
Yep.
A brazier.
Did you find the aisle?
This is an aisle that lots of things are stacked on.
Oh. Oh.
Look at the containers
Uh-huh.
that you could put in your refrigerators to like hold things, or in your
Okay.
drawers.
Okay. See what you're saying?
They have these
Fry
kinds of baskets,
Yeah.
so you can take stuff outside to eat. Like,
All just different colors.
like with these, you could just use paper towels,
Yeah.
and then
Or a
you don't
napkin.
even need. Yeah, I was gonna say paper towels or a plate.
What are these? These are.
These are plastic.
It's like a.
So.
It's like a 16 by 9 trays.
But then there's trays, and you could get them in.
Like cafeteria trays.
Do they have
All
green?
sorts of colors. There's dark green right there.
Oh, that's not Five2Go green. I was
No.
gonna say you could get because that blue's really close.
It is. It is.
They have these.
So it's basically metal on this side, plastic on this side.
Yep. They even have bowl baskets.
Bowl baskets?
I've never seen that.
Yeah, I've never seen them round. I've just seen this oblong shape.
And then these are tiny trays.
Oh, they are. They're smaller. $2 a pop. That's
And
not
yeah,
bad.
that's a great price.
And then more. These are smaller too.
I mean, look how big these are.
Yeah.
These are like a pool.
They are like a pool,
Oh,
like for a
these
doll.
Little tiny ones are so cute. But they're really deep. All right, so now we're getting into
This is real restaurant-y.
big, big, big stuff. Okay. Well, if you need to mash a whole lot of potatoes, look at this, it's the size of my hand.
Awesome.
It's huge.
These are good.
Yep. How much for the 6 of them? It's $5.60.
$5.60.
Yep.
Where'd you see that?
It's on the shelf.
Oh.
$5.60 for 6 quart bottles. Smaller ones, $6 or $4 for 6 of them. Very cool. Oh God, I love these.
I was just gonna say that I love these.
Oh, they're so nice. I think next time I need to brine a turkey for Thanksgiving, I'm coming here.
Yes.
Alrighty, if you need to do a paella, it's only half the size of your RV.
They have little ones.
They do. Okay, what do we got here?
It's a condiment caddy.
Condiment
But you could
caddy.
use that for a lot of different things too.
What are these containers over here? Juice pour bottles. Oh, it's like a spout top. Oh, it's like barware.
Yeah.
Okay, and then carafes.
Am I, Daddy?
You're on the bottom shelf, Bennett.
I kind of like one of
mini
these,
pitchers?
especially if you eat outside a lot.
I could see that full of like margarita or Bloody Mary.
Or tea.
Or tea. Toothpick dispenser. If you're someone that needs a lot of toothpicks. Unfortunately, it's not the little bird grabby one. Wow. That's a beverage
I'm thinking
dispenser?
about this more if you camp with a lot of families and like,
If you're like the toy hauler out into the mountains with a bunch of off-road
Yeah.
vehicles and feed a lot of people
You
for a
would just-
weekend. Yes,
make like the pre-mixed Gatorade
that's a lot of margarita.
or Kool-Aid
Or Kool-Aid. Or tea.
or tea.
Hi.
Oh, and Ben definitely doesn't need that. All right.
What?
Oh, it's like a ice pitcher. Mm-hmm. See those at like conventions.
Yeah.
Numbers, scoops. Not much here appropriately sized.
No.
We used to keep cinnamon sugar mix in something like that
Oh.
because you just kind of like dust it on.
Look, you know what?
Here we go. This is a Ben tenderizer. Here, turn around. I'm gonna tenderize you.
Ah.
Oh Oh, yeah, like that.
It's really ridiculous.
What did you find?
A lot of the times when you have the RV ovens,
The propane ones.
propane ones, a lot of people say to put the rectangular pizza stone inside, and so there's a bunch of them.
Yeah.
You have a round one or a rectangular. Not really.
Nothing useful there. Gloves, mop heads, sprayers, water hoses, brushes. They have window squeegees, which I was not expecting to see. Interesting. Cleaning stuff, dispensers, tissue dispensers, toilet roll holders. A lot of stuff.
Yeah.
What are all of
I
these?
think this is kind of it for us because there's a lot of equipment. We did find what we were looking for,
Yes.
which is these.
I want to go look through the dishes again.
Okay.
Was it just those stacks
I think
up front?
so.
Okay.
We can look.
These are all glass though.
Not all of them. These aren't.
Oh no?
Mm-mm.
Oh. These are fancier.
That is the
Yeah.
thing I put soy sauce in.
Yep, thing you put
Yep.
soy sauce in. Alrighty. So it's really just those, so just the melamine. Alrighty.
So we found cups. We have to keep
cups.
looking for dishes.
Yep.
These are the cups. They're, like I said, they're just like the ones you get at like every other
Yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
hoping
those are
we
cool.
can stack 4.
Yeah,
we
we'll
might
have to
have
see.
to do 3 and 3 though.
We'll have to see with the height of the cabinets. A 3 will
3,
I think 3 will
will do.
definitely fit. I think 4 will fit on the bottom. We'll see though. It's what we were looking for.
Yes.
And they were cheap enough to just try. So there's a lot of cool stuff in there. So if you are looking to outfit an RV with kitchen stuff, storage stuff, things like that, look for a local restaurant supply store.
Yeah, they had a lot of usable things for really good prices.
Yeah, a lot of the storage stuff was really, really cheap.
If you're a really creative RVer, you could probably find a lot of good uses for most of that stuff in there.
Yeah, yeah. Even the bowl that was like bigger than my torso. Maybe. I mean, if you want
you
to
have places
bathe
to-
a child.
Yeah?
Yeah.
The stock pot might have been better for that
Stock
then.
pot might work well. Yeah. And they also I didn't film them because this is more of a joke than anything, but they have those huge griddles, like you get like in a diner. They sell those at these places. So if you have a way to like turn your toy hauler garage into like a mobile diner,
Or like a food truck.
first of all, do it. Second of all,
Let us know where you
where you are.
But yeah, that's some really neat stuff in there.
Yeah. So if you go to a restaurant supply store, or if you have other places that are full of cool things, let us know down in the comments. Let us know what you get, what you've got, what you found, any tips you have.
Yeah, hop on Facebook and show us pictures of what you created.
And on our Discord. We haven't talked about our Discord in a while.
We haven't.
Yeah, we have 2,500 or so people in
crazy.
there. Yeah, so there's a lot of people
awesome.
in there. So go ahead and jump in. We have a channel all about yummy stuff.
Yeah.
So this would be a good topic for that. There's also stuff about RV life. There's stuff about internet. There's stuff about animals. There's stuff about travel, and we have
Disney.
some Disney Channel. Yep, and we also have some private channels for our Roadrunners. So yeah, if you go to a place like this and you find some cool stuff, let us know. And I think that's going to be it for us for this episode. And we are going to keep our eye out for other less thought of things like this.
Yes.
I have never heard of anyone talk about a restaurant supply place for RV stuff.
It's pretty
So,
cool.
yeah. All right. On to the next one.
Bye,
See you guys. Bye.